Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the Fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the Fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the Fingerprint reader board to the display enclosure. Lift the Fingerprint reader board off of the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the Fingerprint reader board into position on the display enclosure. Replace the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the Fingerprint reader board to the display enclosure. Insert the Fingerprint reader board ribbon cable into the Fingerprint reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.